Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, my first ever YouTube video with me doing nails. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. So here I'm showing you my Modo Ones red, which is the color 0239, and that's what I'm using as the base color for today's design. Since it's December, I decided to mix it up and go with a Christmas color. So red and white are always, good Christmas colors. I'm gonna speed it up and paint the nails, and I'll be back. Alrighty, and also I just wanted to let you guys know that I do sell press-ons, so be sure to check that out at lissnailswithaz.com. That's LISSNAILZ.com. So now the red base is done and it looks really, really good. For this one, I'm showing you my inspo. I already did black press-on nails on my thumb, but here's the inspo that I saw on Instagram and I was like, oh, these are so cute. So yeah, that's the inspo pic. And now you get it. Now watch me take the white designer brush with the paint and just go in and do some squiggles, and yeah, enjoy. Alrighty, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram at lissnailswithaz_. Here is our final look. Doesn't it look really cute and pretty? I really like it. The red really pops. I'm currently actually wearing the press-ons now and I really love them. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Bye guys.